Hi there! Today we will be making a design. So let's see what do we have in our book. Well, we see this beautiful design right here. And can you tell me which colors are used for this? Yes, we have used greens, yellows and blues for this. So let's grab our pencil and start making this. At first, let's start with the first step, which is making this beautiful curve right here. As it is a freehand drawing, we will only be using curves, circles and other such lines for this. We cannot use a straight line for this. Try making these lines as smooth as possible. This looks interesting. Let's go ahead with the next part. Make an extension to this and then take this upwards. Not to worry if you make a mistake. You can erase it and redraw this. Complete it and touch it right here. We see a beautiful design of a different shape. Make this slowly and nicely. When you're making multiple designs, you need to also make sure that there is equal distance between two lines of the design. Well, once you're done with the rough part, you can erase the lines and then start making it a little darker. Yes, now you might be having a nice pencil tracing on top of your drawing. So let's make this a little darker and fair now. You can move your book however you like and then go very slow while making the fair drawing. Try not making a mistake or else it is going to be very difficult for you to erase it. Join these lines slowly and nicely. This looks very interesting, isn't it? Now, let's make this design right here. Again, make sure that it is at equal distance from the line which is already made. This looks very interesting. Now let's make this part. This looks like a mango, isn't it? So let's make this mango shaped design. Let's make these lines inside and a circle. This looks amazing. The next part we do is start sketching this. Yes, we will try and go right on top of the pencil marks and do this. If you feel that you've made a mistake while making it with your pencil, all you have to do is correct it with your sketch pen. Go slowly and complete the entire design. Do not make any mistakes while making these lines. Yes, they can be confusing, but you need to be very careful with it. Complete the entire design in a similar way. You can also make the circle a little bigger. And look, we are done with the design. Let's erase all the pencil marks and make this drawing neat and clean. Can we now take a green color which is light so that we can start coloring inside like this? Continue coloring the outline at first and then start coloring inside. Yes, you're right. We need to press the color exactly on top of the paper so that we get a darker shade and we leave no white spaces in the middle. Use the tip of the crayon to color this part as it is very thin. Well, yes, we'll be almost done. This is lovely. We are ready with filling all the white spaces in our design. The next thing we do is start by taking a different color and do the next design. Can you tell me what are we going to do? Well, yes, we are going to take yellow color and start doing this design. Yes, you can take a light yellow or a medium yellow for this part. Not to worry if you do not have the exact same shades mentioned in the book. You can take the ones you have and start coloring this. Yes, as this is a creative process. But make sure that you do the outline and color only in one direction. Finally, let's take blue color and do it in these circles and a strip right here. Go in a circular motion so that you don't go out of the line. And finally, finish this in a similar way. And look, our design is ready.